In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop video in OBS Studio 2026, quick and easy. We'll walk through the exact tools inside OBS Studio to resize, crop, flip, fit, and precisely position your video source so your scene looks clean and professional. First, open OBS Studio. In your main window, you'll see the preview area, plus the Scenes and Sources panels at the bottom. Make sure the scene you want is active. Next, in the Sources panel, select your video capture source, the camera, display capture, or media source you want to adjust. Confirm it's visible in the preview. If it isn't, check that the eye icon next to the source is enabled. To resize, click the source in the preview so a red border appears. Drag any corner handle to scale the source up or down while keeping its shape. Use the side handles if you just want to change width or height proportionally within the preview. You can also click inside the red outline to drag the source around the canvas, letting you place it exactly where you want, tucked into a corner for picture-in-picture or centered for a full-frame shot. To crop, hold the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac and drag those red handles inward. You'll see the edges get trimmed without affecting the original file. If you cut too much, simply drag the handle back out or press undo. Cropping is great for hiding window borders, removing a messy background edge, or framing a tighter webcam view. If your image needs mirroring, for example, to correct a webcam, right-click the source, choose Transform, then select Flip Horizontal. This instantly mirrors the shot from left to right. When you want the source to neatly fill your canvas, right-click again, go to Transform, and choose Fit to Screen. OBS will scale the source to fit within your base canvas while preserving aspect ratio. If you need to ignore aspect ratio for a special layout, hold Shift while dragging the handles. This lets you stretch or distort the source freely. Use this sparingly since heavy stretching can make video look unnatural. For pixel perfect control, right-click the source, open Transform, and select Edit Transform. Here you can type in exact values for position, size, rotation, and crop. This is the best place to dial in clean numbers, line up elements, or make small adjustments you can repeat reliably. That's it. Open OBS, select your source, resize, crop with Alt or Option, flip if needed, fit to screen for quick framing, use Shift to stretch when appropriate, and fine-tune everything in Edit Transform. Pause and practice each action, and you'll master it in minutes.